with you under a quiet sky. The world feels far away, but your hand is close to mine. We lay down on an old blanket where the grass is cool and low. You point out a little constellation, like a secret you already know. The night is soft around us, no cars, no crowded sound, just your voice beside the silence and the moonlight on the ground. I don't need a brighter place when I can see your face. Every little star above feels like it knows about us. Counting stars with you tonight, everything feels calm and right. One by one they softly shine like little dreams across my mind. Counting stars with you tonight, I don't need to ask for more. If love can feel this peaceful, let me stay here where you are. You tell me dreams you never say. When the daytime feels too loud, I keep them safe inside my heart, like lights behind a cloud. We laugh about forever, like it's something